In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete tutorial on how to get your first sale in dropshipping really fast. That's right, your first sale doesn't have to take weeks or months. It can happen much sooner if you know exactly what to do. And no, this isn't some gimmick or overnight scheme. I'm going to walk you step by step through a proven method that helps beginners land their first dropshipping sale fast using Sell the Trend, specifically the Nexus product research tool and its powerful Ad Explorer. This tool is designed to take the guesswork out of finding products so you can focus on marketing and getting that first order through your store. Before we jump into the tool itself, I want to give you something valuable. There's a link in the description where you can sign up for Sell the Trend and try it completely free for 14 days. That way, you can follow along with me in this tutorial, test products, and even launch your own store, all without spending $1 upfront. Just click the link, hit Get Started, enter your name, email address, and password, and your account will be ready. Once you're signed up, you'll have access to Nexus AI, along with all of Sell the Trend's other tools, which we'll explore in this video. Now, let's head over to the dashboard. As soon as you log in, you'll see a wide range of tools available on the left-hand side. Each one is designed to make dropshipping easier, but for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the Nexus AI Products tool. This tool is the foundation of finding profitable products quickly, because it doesn't just list random items. It uses artificial intelligence to scan real-time market data, analyze sales performance, and present you with products that have proven demand. Think of it as your personal shortcut to identifying items that are already working in the market, which dramatically increases your chances of making your first sale. Here's how it works. The Nexus AI tool provides you with a wide variety of filters, and each filter is designed to narrow down your options to the products most likely to bring results. Let's start with the tariff-free filter. This filter shows products that are sourced locally in the US instead of overseas. Why is this important? Because fast shipping times are one of the biggest factors in whether a customer trusts your store enough to buy. If your store promises 2 to 3 weeks of delivery, most customers will walk away, especially if it's their first time seeing your brand. But with local US suppliers, you can offer shipping in just a few days. This gives you a competitive edge and removes a major barrier between browsing and buying. Next, let's talk about the trending filter. This filter highlights products that are currently gaining traction. It's tempting to chase trends, but here's the reality. Not all trending products actually sell in volume. That's why the high orders filter is so crucial. By combining trending with high orders, you'll see products that aren't just popular in theory, but are backed by consistent daily orders. Profitability also matters, even for your very first sale. That's why the high profit margin filter is a must. Products with good margins give you room to run ads, offer discounts, or test different creatives without immediately losing money. This filter helps you avoid products that look flashy, but don't leave enough profit for you as the seller. Another great filter is top in US. The US market is one of the largest and most lucrative e-commerce markets in the world. By focusing on products that are already performing strongly in this region, you dramatically increase your odds of making a fast sale. People in the US are used to shopping online, they're comfortable with dropshipping products, and they have strong purchasing power. Now, let's refine things even more by clicking on More Filters. Here, you can drill down into specific product categories, confirm that items are dropshipping verified, and make sure you're using Nexus AI recommendations. One of the most important boxes to tick here is Ships from US, which ensures your products can be shipped quickly. Again, this directly impacts your ability to land that first sale because faster shipping builds trust and confidence. The search bar is another underrated tool. Let's say you want to test the waters in the health or beauty space. You can type in keywords like red light therapy or face care devices. Instantly, Nexus AI will show you products in that category, complete with detailed insights like supplier information, order volume, and sales trends. This is gold when you're hunting for that first sale because it shows you not only what's trending, but also what's converting. Once you start browsing products, Keep an eye out for a few key qualities. Look for items that are trending, have a high perceived value, are easy for customers to understand, and come with reliable fulfillment options. Why? Because these types of products are easier to market, easier to sell, and less likely to result in returns or complaints. But product selection is just one part of the equation. You also need to validate demand and marketing potential. That's where the Facebook ad library comes in. This free tool lets you see how other sellers are advertising similar products. You can check their creatives, their ad copy, and how much engagement they're getting. If you see multiple ads running successfully, it's a sign that the product has strong market interest. From here, you can design your own campaigns with proven angles, giving you a faster shot at generating that first sale. Next, explore your competitors' stores. Look at how they present their products, the style of their images, the tone of their descriptions, and even their pricing. You don't want to copy them, but you do want to learn what's working. Customers are far more likely to buy from a store that looks polished and trustworthy, especially if it's their first purchase. Use competitor analysis as a blueprint to improve your own product pages. By now, after applying filters, searching keywords, and analyzing competitors, you should have a short list of products with strong potential. But don't stop there. We need to validate further. That's where the spy tool inside Sell the Trend comes in. This feature lets you copy a competitor's product link, paste it into the tool, and instantly see insights like monthly traffic, estimated sales, and pricing trends. This data is invaluable because it shows you whether the product is truly performing for others in the market. If it is, chances are it can work for you too. Let's take it a step further with Google Trends. Enter your product keyword, set the location to your target market, and choose a time frame like the past 90 days or 12 months. This graph shows whether interest is growing, stable, or declining. If the trend line is moving upward or holding steady, that's a strong sign that buyers are actively searching for this product. Another way to validate is by checking Amazon. Use Sell the Trends Find on Amazon feature to see how similar products are performing. Look at their sales estimates, customer reviews, and the level of competition. A good sign is a product with consistent purchases but not overwhelming competition. That means there's demand while still leaving space for you to enter the market. Once you've validated the product, it's time to look at suppliers. Inside Nexus AI, click on the Suppliers tab. Here you'll find multiple supplier options, often including local ones in the US. Sourcing locally is a game changer for beginners because it shortens delivery times, avoids tariff issues, and makes your store look more reliable to first-time buyers. From here, you can push the product directly to your store. Sell the Trend makes this seamless. Choose your store, click Generate Description with AI, and you'll instantly get a polished, SEO-friendly product description. You can tweak it to match your brand voice, but even as is, it saves you hours of writing. Then just click Push to Store, and the product goes live complete with images, descriptions, and variants already formatted. Now, before we wrap up this process, I want to quickly show you another powerful feature inside Sell the Trend, the Ad Finder. This section lets you see exactly what ads other dropshippers are running on Facebook and TikTok. For example, here on my screen you can see different product ads, along with details like engagement likes, shares, comments, and even the countries they're running in. What's really cool is that you can apply advanced filters. For instance, you can filter by minimum likes, shares, or comments to only see ads that are already performing well. You can also filter by ad type, call to action, video length, platform like Shopify, or even narrow it down by language and country. This means instead of guessing what kind of creatives work, you can literally see what's converting in real time, analyze the ad copy, study the creatives, and then model your own ads based on proven winners. And the best part is, it saves you from wasting money, testing ideas that don't work. This is where the magic happens. The process you've just followed, finding products with Nexus AI, validating demand with Spy Tool, checking trends with Google and Amazon, analyzing competitors, exploring winning creatives with Ad Finder, and finally pushing the product to your store, is exactly what helps you land your first sale fast. Instead of relying on luck, you've used a systematic, data-driven approach to minimize risk and maximize your chances. The first sale is always the hardest, but once you've got it, the momentum builds. You gain confidence, you gather data for ads, and you learn what resonates with your target audience. From there, scaling becomes much easier. Remember, if you haven't already signed up, the link is in the description. You can try Sell the Trend completely free for 14 days, which gives you plenty of time to follow these exact steps, test products, and make your first sale. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So that's exactly how you can use Nexus AI and Spy Tool in Sell the Trend to discover winning products, validate them, and push them live to your store, all with the specific goal of making your very first dropshipping sale fast. Use the filters, check trends, analyze competitors, and always back your decisions with data. That's the fastest and most reliable way to turn a brand new store into one that's actually making sales. Go ahead, click the link in the description, sign up for your free trial, and take that first step toward building your e-commerce business today.